Hello friends, Tony here. With this video I'm going to start a new series about Livewire version 3. And Livewire now is hosted in Laravel.com website. So here I am inside the livewire.laravel.com, and in the documentation we can see the most productive way to build your next web app, powerful dynamic front-end UIs without leaving the PHP. So you don't need to have knowledge about JavaScript or anything else. If you have knowledge about PHP and you learn Livewire, you can build dynamic front-end UIs. Okay, if I scroll down also, we can see from the Taylor Otwell, creator of Laravel, who has said that Livewire takes Blade to the next level. It's basically what Blade should be by default. And also, Livewire has everything, so Livewire's mission is to build on the efficiency and joy of building web apps with Laravel and push them to the max. Now, Livewire is a Laravel package, so you will need to have a Laravel application up and running before you can install and use Livewire. Also, if you start a new Laravel application, you can install it with the Laravel auth packages, which are Jetstream and Breeze. Both of them has Livewire stack, so you can choose Livewire and you are ready to go. Now, Livewire works by using a technique called server-side rendering. This means that the HTML of your component is generated on the server and then sent to the browser. When a user interacts with the Livewire component, the browser sends an AJAX request to the server with the updated data. The server then re-renders the component and responds with the new HTML. Re-renders not all the component, re-renders only that the HTML is changed. So Livewire then intelligently mutates the DOM according to the things that changed. Okay? This approach has a number of advantages, so faster development. Livewire allows you to build dynamic interfaces without having to write any JavaScript code, so this can save you a lot of time and effort. More efficient code. Livewire components are very efficient, and because they only update the parts of the DOM that have changed, this can lead to significant performance improvements. Also is SEO-friendly. Livewire components are re-rendered on the server, so they are SEO-friendly and is easy to learn. So Livewire is very easy to learn, especially if you already are familiar with Laravel. And that's it, friends, for this intro about Livewire course. Now, if you like such videos and if you like to learn Livewire, Laravel, Filament, and so on, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share with your friends. All the best and see you in the next one. Thank you very much, friends.